How to fix Roblox This Experience is unavailable due to your account settings error. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Roblox, log into your account, then click on More, located on bottom right corner of your screen. After clicking on More with three buttons located on bottom right, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down till you find Settings and go to Parental Control. If there is parental control, you may experience this error. You'll find three options for age. Make sure no age available should be ticked. And this is how to fix Roblox This Experience is unavailable due to your account settings error. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.